The schematics confirm the coupling point right here.
All right, secure the main umbilical and prep for deployment.
Latch is secure, Foreman.
We're directly above the target now.
Roger. Deploying the sonar buoy. Stand by on the crane.
Cable 5 secured, tension looks good.
Copy that. Moving to the next point.
Reroute auxiliary power to stabilizers now. Minimize the torque oscillation.
Acknowledged. Rerouting. Surface team, confirm bracing sequence.
Rotate slowly. We need more tension on that cable.
Copy that. Tension increasing.
All right, hold it there. Confirm stable.
The stress load is spiking at the upper termination point.
Copy that. Stabilizing the ascent rate.
Coordinates confirmed. Patching through to the global response team now.
We have 3 minutes before the front hits. Move.
Focus on the starboard side near the waterline.
Recording the measurements now. The laser scanner shows consistent readings.
All right, let's move to the next section. Watch your spacing back there.
Clear on this side. Keep coming slow.
All right, easy now, easy.
Keep it coming slow, steady on the center mark. All right, easy now and stop. Secure the line.
The alignment looks good. Go ahead and torque it down. Okay, it's secured. Check the readings now. Confirmed. All parameters are optimal.
The control panel is fully rewired. How is the software integration coming along?
Just running the final diagnostic now. And confirmed, safety protocols are active.
The calibration is complete.
Excellent work. The levels are stable now.
Hold it right there. We need to double check that coupling before we move past the assembly line. The wear on this gear is minimal. We can reuse it, but the coupling needs replacement.
I agree. Let's use the upgraded polymer coupling instead.